Okay, y'all. So I made this dress to like practice on my prom dresses, and I had posted it for sale. And the girl that wanted it, she stayed like 2.5 hours away, but she did want to make some slight adjustments. Hey, y'all gotta excuse my voice. I got a cold right now, but we still gotta get to these videos, okay? So again, y'all, she wanted to make some slight adjustments. It was a little loose on her. She wanted to add a split and a little bit of two. I didn't have a lot, but I had some laying around the house. I wish I would have added more, but that too be some work, y'all. So she wanted like a light feathered look, which is what this dress definitely gave. So I'm ready to show y'all how I took that dress and made it into this. So I started with my two, and I just gathered like 2 pieces, and I just, scrunched it up. It's easier for me to do it this way because, it's quick and you can just gather your two and just get the sewing. So I kind of cut like the split since it was a circle skirt pattern. I just cut the split and then I sewed down the two around it because, it looked kind of open and the edges were not hem, if that makes sense. So I just sewed the two over top of that to make it look more professional, kind of like it go, because it was no need to hem it if I was going to add this two around the whole split and the bottom of the dress. And on top of that, she was a little bit smaller than my mannequin, so I had to take the dress in on the sides. And this is why I say I would never do a dress without having measurements. Like if it don't fit and I have to like do too much tweaking, then I just got to make you a whole new dress. In order to take it in, I had to take out the thread from like my applique. Y'all see me taking it out right here, and that was a job. Good thing about it, it was just on the edge because I wanted to take it in where the line is. So I had to take all of that out, and then I took the dress in and proceeded to sew it back down once the dress was taken in a little bit more. After taking the dress in, it could not even get all the way on my mannequin. So I was like, oh my God, I hope it's not too small. Y'all, when I say this dress gave me a headache, it was too small, okay? So when she came for her final fitting, I had to take out the zipper, add more fabric, and basically just redo the whole back. So it was really a headache, but it was worth it. Like, it looked so cute on her, so I can't say that, but it was a lot of revamping and re-sewing that I had to do, which I did not like at all. Lastly, I had to add more rhinestones, which is what y'all see me doing here on like the arm structure. She wanted it to be more bling, and I don't know why in that picture that she took you couldn't even hardly see it. I guess because of the slang, but she was definitely blinging, okay? So I used my B9000 or 6000, whatever the fuck it said it was. I used that and I added the rhinestones, and she came out so cute. Like, she did what she needed to do. And y'all see how it's just shining. That's why I say like the picture that I got, it didn't really show the rhinestones. So I wanted y'all to get like a better look at the additions that I added to it. So this is how everything came out, and like I said, I think it came out really good, but I had to like do so much work, y'all, to get it to fit her perfectly, and she was happy with it at the end. But like I said, I would definitely prepare more next time and make sure that I don't have these mistakes that I had with this dress. Let me know what you guys think.